On Thursday, western Montana woke up to blowing snow, cold temperatures, and snow-covered cars. But people still need to go to work or get their kids to school. And with this active weather, it's important to take extra precautions.
Yeah, I mean, this is a good storm compared to how it's been.
Contractors like Tim Koyman were hard at work doing what they could in these conditions as drivers tried to navigate their own parking lots, sometimes needing a little extra help.
Well, it's not my favorite thing to do right now. It's hard work.
And how long have you guys been out here today?
Since 2 a.m. Yeah, we're only halfway done.
Plows in the Missoula area just can't be everywhere at once.
Not look at it the responsibility of the city to do the impossible, because we only have a finite number of plows. Because the snow has to be put somewhere, and sometimes the best place for that is in the center of the road.
Driving in these conditions can be treacherous because of all the snow on the roads. In 2022, the Missoula Police Department has already responded to over 20 traffic collisions in the city.
What's really relevant about that is the vast majority of those are preventable. It is the responsibility of the driver to heed Mother Nature.
We're seeing some vehicles going into the ditch in some accidents, and a lot of that's due to people driving too fast or overdriving for the conditions.
Steve Felix stressed caution as this strong storm continues. That just because good snow tires can get you going doesn't mean you'll be able to stop quickly. Always keep a good distance between other cars and avoid travel if possible. He also added to never use cruise control when ice is a possibility.
If you've got raindrops hitting your windshield in January in Montana, there's a good chance you're going to find some ice somewhere.
In Missoula, Geneva Zoltek, MTN News.